Selling your car in Tennessee? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your Tennessee Certificate of Title. You fill everything out on the back, in the Assignment of Title by Registered Owner section. Use blue or black ink, print clearly, and don't cross anything out or use whiteout. Erasures void the title. Step 1. Sign on the signature and address of seller's line. In Tennessee, every owner listed on the title has to sign, so if there's more than one name, everyone signs here. Step 2. The odometer. Write your current mileage in the odometer reading box. Whole miles only, no tens. And check the box that matches. Actual mileage, over the mechanical limit, or not the actual mileage. Federal law requires this for vehicles less than 20 model years old. Step 3. Print your full name on the seller's name line, exactly as it appears on the front of the title. Step 4. Fill in the date of sale and the sales price. If there's a lien on your title, the lien holder has to release it before you can transfer ownership. Any new lien gets recorded in the lien holder block. The one thing Tennessee sellers can't skip: take your plates with you. In Tennessee, the plates belong to you, not the car. Pull them off before the buyer drives away. You can move them to your next vehicle for about $1, and selling ends your registration on this one.
We buy any car.